Traditional training is costly, risky, and slow. VR Vision brings enterprise-grade simulations to your organization. Trusted by leaders across energy, utilities, and manufacturing, with our industry-leading platform that enables trainers to manage VR classrooms in real time, monitor student progress, and access detailed performance analytics. Multiplayer mode lets trainers teach and assess trainees together in one shared simulation. At Avangrid, 2,000+ technicians trained and a 30% error reduction in 90 days. From high-risk technical procedures to soft skills and onboarding, VR Vision delivers safety, technical, and customer-facing training through CGI, 360 video, and localized modules, driving measurable gains in compliance, performance, and engagement. Track competency, mistakes, and efficiency with unified analytics and real-time remote assistance. Enterprise report, faster onboarding, and fewer incidents at scale. Ready to see it? Book a live demo today.